Hi, ich bin Marco.
Hi, I'm Marco from iDoc. If the back cover of your smartphone is heavily scratched or shattered, we'll show you in this video how to replace it yourself. The guide also shows you how to replace the fingerprint sensor. The repair is a bit more difficult because the back cover is very sticky and you should plan on about 30 to 60 minutes. We recommend the following tools. You can find the spare part in our store as well as high-quality tools. The links can be found in the video description below. On iDoc.eu you will also find these repair guide with detailed photos and descriptions for each step. And now have fun with the repair. Switch off the device first to avoid short circuits during repair. The mobile phone is opened via the heavily glued back cover. But beware, after a repair, the phone is generally no longer waterproof. You can loosen it by heating the glue and sliding a flat tool between the back cover and the frame. Tools like the iPlastix or the iFlex are ideal for opening the phone. The iFlex is extremely flexible, has rounded edges, and is very thin yet stable. Take a hot air gun or an ordinary hairdryer and gradually heat up the entire edge of the back cover. Don't overheat the phone, just warm it up to the point where you can still touch it easily. The back cover of our device was already damaged. Nevertheless, we tried to leave the back cover as intact as possible. There's a small gap between the frame and display where you can insert your tool. Do not push the tool too far into the device and make sure that the edges of the tool do not scratch the back cover. Therefore, we recommend that you continue with a plastic tool as soon as possible. Be especially careful as the back cover is made of glass and can break easily. Then slide it along the entire frame and gradually loosen the glue. To prevent the adhesive from sticking again, you can use several picks and insert them into the already detached section. Then warm up again the spot where you continue to work and move your tool further along the edge. If necessary, start several times and warm up again and again in between. Beware, our back cover was already broken. It can take half an hour to remove the back cover. Better take a little more time and work carefully to prevent any damage. At the level of the volume buttons, the connection cable of the fingerprint sensor is located directly under the back cover. You should only insert your tool there about half a centimeter. On the lower side, the back cover is glued very strongly. If the back cover is detached everywhere, lift it only slightly. The fingerprint sensor beneath the camera is still connected with a cable. Separate the connector with a spudger. You can see the glue on the edge. Above the USB port, the back cover is glued very strongly. Now put the device aside and continue with the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is glued to the back cover. Use hot air again to loosen the glue more easily. With a flat tool you can then go along the edge of the sensor and gradually loosen the glue. Carefully lever and watch out for the thin flex cable. When the sensor is released you can take it out. If you change the back cover, it usually has new glue. Remove all foils that protect the adhesive surfaces. Also remove any old adhesive from the fingerprint sensor. If you replace the fingerprint sensor, you may need to take some glue from the old to the new sensor. Reinsert the fingerprint sensor into the back cover and press it down a little. Remove any remaining adhesive from the frame so that the new back cover is flush. Before placing the back cover on the case, check the adhesive. It should be evenly distributed on the edge so that the back cover is flush all over. Remove excess glue if necessary. If you want, you can also remove the old adhesive and use a new adhesive frame. We have linked it in the info box below. Before you push the back cover back onto the case, connect the fingerprint sensor to the connector. Use a plastic tool to reach the connector. Heat the rear glass again with hot air so that the adhesive bonds again. Please note that the smartphone is no longer fully protected against liquids after repair. As long as the glue cools down, you can press the back glass down with your fingers or lightly weigh it down.
Die Reparatur ist jetzt
The
abgeschlossen.
repair is now finished and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, suggestions or hints, please write it in the comments below. We will be happy to help you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.